Hello everyone, my name is Vasile Cimpoaca and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox a brand new PC with a ultra wide monitor from LG. We also have a set of Razer keyboard and a mouse, which I was really impressed how cheap I bought this. It was like roughly 65 euro a set. Usually just a mouse or a keyboard, it's nearly 100 euro from them. So we're gonna see what's the build quality for this and for all PC. A few days ago I came back home in Moldova. We have very old PC here which was good enough around 8 years ago, so it's time to change. We're gonna unbox this, have a look what is inside, how it works. Yeah, with that being said, let's jump straight to unboxing them. This box from Motherboard. That's the invoice. I did order another one, so should be 2 RAMs in it. Should be on 16. This is the box from Motherboard, as I see. Okay, so we have a cable here for connection cable, power cable, how we call it. Yeah, so it's another 8 gigs of RAM, which I paid for. It should be already installed, so I don't have to install it myself, as once I open it the warranty is gonna be gone. So yeah, 2 years of warranty, should have 16 gigs in it. We will put maybe on pause and have a look. Yeah, let's have a look straight away inside out. I'll check this later on. So it is. Okay, box out. This one. Put this in the box. This and that in the box. It's a full PC build and it's so light. I'll take the keyboard, gonna be the last one probably. Do not open here, so let's open it like this. I'm gonna open straight away this one, just cut the tape. So I'm gonna remove the knife from here. Okay, is that everything? Yes. Like that. Knife gone. So what we have here. Oh my god, huge box. So here it's the power cable for LG, yeah. I did order it in a white color. I'm not sure if it's white, should be, but come on, we're gonna check this one now. Okay. It's some plastic on top with the aluminium under, so it's aluminium inside with some plastic on top. Looks very nice. It's more like silver color than white, but come on, it's fine. Okay, wow, this one is huge. Okay. So probably this one, yeah, it's going here, like this, and then it's a pin up here, so we just have to screw this. And it's done. Okay, is that for the adjusted the height? Yes. Wow, look at this. Nice. Right there. This one, it's not curved, so it's flat. Never have used before a 34-inch monitor flat, but just for the budget, a pretty good option. Okay. So we're gonna put it facing down, as here it's nice and soft, like this. And we have to check how this is gonna go in. Okay, so this, check this, fine, all good. Put this like that. Okay, all right. So actually it's very simple. So this looks like that. So once you see, you plug the first two, and here is just, and that's it. So side to side, not really, it's more for down and up. Very good. What about the height? Yeah, the height works perfectly, as you see. Very nice. You see, from Razer. We're gonna check now, have a look how this looks inside. Okay, so cables, very soft cables actually, nice and matte, some rubber covering. Okay, out, look out, there's the mouse. Okay, so just open. So light, it's like 20 grams. I'm not sure if that have up to 20 grams. It's extremely light. Okay, so yeah, the box is the box. Like we all know, we all throw them out. We put them first in the storage for the next 5 years, and then after 5 years we decide we don't need it anymore. Then we throw them out. I already learned my lessons. And this going straight out, as this keyboard will never be sold or put back in the box. So bye bye box. Awesome. We have couple stickers here from Razer, very nice. Probably we're gonna stick some of them around the case. So as I see here, we can change the RGB colors in it, but not on the sections full. So once we change a color, we're gonna be set the color for all the keyboard. And same with this, we can light up the logo here. Should look amazing. We're gonna see, yeah, I'll put this one here. Okay, it feels very good. Come on, it's made from plastic. Nearly all the keyboards 2021 made from plastic. Okay, the height adjustment for those who like it. My little friends, are you ready to turn on the PC? So this is my final setup. Move a little bit things around. I didn't yet turn it on, so it's just plug in and finish with all the cable stuff here and everything. So let's see how it's going on. At the end of this video, I really want to say a big thank you to all of you who watched this video, who liked this video or subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. This PC overall looks awesome, works very good, but I don't really have a good answer to you how it holds the video editing and gaming, as I didn't do any of that at the moment. So I'm gonna be back after around a week with some updates for you lads, how the keyboard, mouse works, how the video graphic holds the games, and how overall the PC holds the 4K editing without any proxies or anything else. So I hope this is gonna be good information for you, as a good experience even for me to shoot the video editing and have a look how the PC this PC works. So I really appreciate your time. Thank you very much for that. Don't forget, if you didn't like, subscribe this video, and see you in the next video lads. Bye for now.